18.4 crores.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya ukan rat ke sangma ulabu mau Nongrim nakabenta banshna ya ke jaka penmi jingsho ya ke belatip kum ka Organic Spice Industrial Unit ha sauli ho sli boy rimbong henen kesngi ka jingtmu bante ya ke deka project ka shongdor hadu khan riu klur tingka kalong ban kintiu shu iki kam ki biadei bat ka jingshna ya ki jingte ki bansan ya ki marrep bat ha ka te kesngi la ya donlang UMLA ka Roy bat Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy District usangma ulapen bana yakane ka unit kaban yarap yaki nongrep ban pen biang shu yakajing khayi jongki
unit. We are mobilizing 15 crores of support, financial support from the government side. Out of that, about 12 crores will be in terms of the amount that the government is giving and the different incentives that we give. And about 2 to 3 crores will be through a loan component that will come from the bank. And therefore about 15 crores the state government will mobilize through different sources to fund this particular project.
Ka Meghalaya BJP unit kalapen